Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're back once again for the final time opening up packs. Got my light glare here because we have light. As you saw from the last unboxing video, it's much better because we actually had light. The first one we did not have light. So we've got light. Should be a fun unboxing. Hopefully we can pull some really nice cards. I'll do this. Okay, as soon as I drop my light, as I bumped my camera. Oh, wait. Stuff included. No purchase necessary. And trying to get cards. Let's see. 22 times 9 is 198 plus 2 is 200 minus 11, so 188 is the answer to the math question. I think it has expired, however, but that's okay. So let's see. It says here that there is, what is it? How many is in it? 7 packs plus 1 exclusive commemorative Relic card. That is, where is it? What? I don't see it. Did I just not get the Relic card? Damn, that blows. That's annoying. Alrighty, first pack. The Atlanta Braves team card. The Washington Nationals team card. He's not a National anymore, and neither is he. Alicia Hernandez. Enrique Hernandez. Kyle Freeland. Joey Wendell. He's not a Ray anymore. Martin Maldonado. Jin Ryu. Joe Musgrove. Eugenio Suarez, not a Red anymore. Tom Murphy. Brendan Rodgers. Welcome to the show for Roberto Clemente. And a Christian Yelich, Stars of MLB. Pavin Smith. Whit Merrifield, not a Kansas City Royal anymore. Bo Bichette, I really like those jerseys. That's a pretty cool photo. Him laying out to snag a ball in that jersey. Zach Lothar, rookie card. Minnesota Meetup. Otani and Kenta Maeda. Catch up during pregame. And Nicky Lopez. Ryan Zimmerman, he is retired. Corbin Burns. Chris Archer. Once again, including why this is a very bad trade for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Pittsburgh Pirates traded Chris Archer and gave up Shane Baz, Tyler Glasnow, Austin Meadows. Chris Archer is now a Pirate. Gregory Soto, now a Pirate again. Mike Brasso, I don't think he's a Ray anymore. Jose Altuve. Gio Urshela, blue parallel. Not numbered. He's also not a Yankee anymore. And Stars of MLB, Fernando Tatis Jr. I'll make no drug jokes. Maybe I will. Who knows? Anyways, Cole, Flexen, and Matz, the win leaders. How did Steven Matz get 14 wins last year? Jesus. The Angels team card. Tyler Stevenson, Rookie Cup. John Means. Ooh, there's a good one. This is a good one too, Greg Holland. But the Wander Franco. Rookie card, Rookie Cup. It's a very nice one. That's his first rookie card in Topps. So I like that. Christian Yelich. Jackson Kowar, rookie card. Steven Matz again. Jorge Soler, not a Brave anymore. Ian Gomes, not an Athletic anymore. Corey Seager, not a Dodger. Rafi Devers, he is still with the Red Sox. And Mike Trout, because Mike Trout is Mike Trout. Ooh, that's a pretty cool one there. Back, but we'll just have to wait for it. Nolan Arenado. Big Meat Pete Alonso, love to see it. Drew Ellis, rookie card. City of Walk-Off Love, the Phillies walk off someone. Shane Bieber, not Justin. Kyle Seager, he is retired. Yermin Mercedes, who is no longer in the major leagues. He's in the minors, I believe. Johnny Cueto, no longer a Giant. Ian Happ. Brian Anderson. Future Stars Alec Manoah, it's a pretty good one. Travis Shaw, I don't know anything about him. And a silver parallel of the City of Walk-Offs, not numbered. And a rookie card, Wander Franco, Stars of MLB. Nice. Duvall, Riley Albies, RBI leaders. They're all Braves. That's crazy. Look at that. All Braves. Wheeler, Scherzer, Burns, strikeout leaders. Really led. Drop that. Wow, we did. That's crazy. Blue Jays team card. Trevor Story, not a Rockies. Lucas Giolito. Buster Posey, retired. Craig Kimbrell, not a White Sox. Colin Moran, not a Pirate. Tony Sensatilla, rookie card. Wade Miley, not a Red. Mauricio Dubon, not a Giant. Carlos Rodon, not a White Sox. Oh. Is this the Relic? I don't know. That's a cool one. I don't know if that's the Relic. What is it? +1 exclusive commemorative Relic card. What? Because I don't know if that's it. But that's cool because it's Wander Franco. That's cool. Okay. Wow, okay. Flashiest Feet, Vladdy Jr. and Garrett Cole, Stars of MLB. Wow, okay, that's really cool. I got Wander Franco. That's a really good one, I think. Unless that's like, even if it is that, even if that is just the one per box, that's still a good one. Josh Reddick, Brett Gardner, retired. Tyler Glasnow. Tyler McGill, rookie card. I like that one. Walk-Off Water. Husker Yanoa. Matt Chapman, not an A. And Andre Jackson, rookie card. Ketel Marte Parte. Jorge Mateo. Hunter Renfroe. Spencer Howard. Tyler Gilbert, rookie card. And Stars of MLB, Jazz Chisholm. Now our last pack. We have Perez, Abreu, and Hernandez, RBI leaders. I mean, granted, Salvador Perez also had 46 home runs that year or something crazy like that. Ray Cole C, strikeout leaders. There you go. Ben Gamel, not a Pirate, I don't think. Maybe he is, I don't know. Chapman. Future Stars Christian Pache, not a Brave. James McCann. Gavin Sheets, rookie card. Mike Trout. It's a nice Mike Trout card. Cedric Mullins. Zach Wheeler. Rodolfo Castro, rookie card. Trey Mancini, not an Oriole. Shane Bieber, not Justin. And Stars of MLB, Freddie Freeman. Okay, that's going to be it for this box of Topps Series 1. Let's take a look at some of the cool cards we got. I guess it's the rookie cards. I forgot to put those the refractors aside. So we have a Rodolfo Castro rookie card, Gavin Sheets rookie card, Tyler Gilbert rookie card, Andre Jackson rookie card, Tyler McGill rookie card, Tony Sanzatilla rookie card, Wander Franco Stars of MLB rookie card, Drew Ellis rookie card, Jackson Kawar rookie card, and then of course the Wander Franco rookie card Gold Cup. I like that a lot. And Zach Lothar rookie card, as well as the commemorative jersey Wander Franco one. I mean, I think this is the patch that you get per box. It's not numbered, but it's Wander Franco, so that's pretty cool. I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all later.